What's going on, guys? In today's video we're going to be using Adobe Illustrator to convert this simple sketch into a vector illustration. Let's get started. First, we need to create our new document. Select File, New, and set your dimensions to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Import your sketch by selecting File, Place, or on the keyboard Command Shift and P. And scale your image by clicking and dragging the mouse on your artboard. To convert your image to a template, double click on the layer, change the name to Sketch, and ensure that the template tick box is highlighted. Create a new layer, call it Outline, and hit OK. Using the pen tool, set your stroke to black and your fill to empty. Select a stroke weight of 8 points. Following the lines of your sketch, begin to trace out your illustration, ensuring you have intersecting lines. These will be cleaned up later on. Now that you've drawn all of your lines, hide your sketch, select all, and set your stroke to the caps and corners or rounded. Some lines in this illustration are intended to be a lighter weight. Select these lines and set the weight to 5 points. Select all. Now with the Shape Builder tool, remove any unwanted intersecting lines by holding the Option key. Now it's time for a few tweaks just to make sure all of the lines are exactly where they need to be. Now using the Width tool, change the weight of your lines by selecting a point in the middle and then each end, making them narrower at the tips. Repeat this process across the illustration. Let's speed this up before moving on to the next step. Lock your outline layer and create a new layer. Name your new layer Color. Place your color layer below the outline layer. After selecting your color, follow the outline of the illustration with the pen tool. Repeat this process for the other colors in the design. Lock your color layer and create a new layer called Shadows and Highlights. Place your Shadows and Highlights layer above the color layer. Decide where your light source is going to be and begin to draw out the shadows. Select the shadows and highlights layer and reduce the opacity. Repeat this process, changing the colour to white for the highlights. Create a new layer named Background. Using the circle tool, draw an ellipse underneath the illustration. Draw a rectangle to fill the whole artboard, and right-click, arrange and send to back. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials coming soon.